Second throw. Oop. I think I was trying to hit you. Ready?
Set, fire!
Oh, that was a smooth landing.
Hardcore parkour is bad, I guess. 3, 2, 1. That's a weak throw. Can I do that again? That was a really weak throw.
Sure.
That was a weak throw, so I'm doing this.
That was a bad throw, but like whatever. All right, your turn.
What if I throw it upside down?
It just flies less.
Oh.
Also, you get another turn because that didn't count.
Flips, though.
Yep. Oh, that gave me a heart. Where's the yard?
Second
Whoa.
throw. 3, 2, 1. That was out of control. No wonder they had to do emergency landing.
All right, go. Bro.
Landing.
Wait, actually, I got it. That's a natural airplane. Okay, that doesn't count. That doesn't count. Actually, that was.
I'm gonna try and stall next time.
Why do you want to stall it? That just makes it fly less.
It makes it. That's cool. Aren't we trying to do like emergency landings?
No, that's not my point. Oh, damn, just kicked it. It actually flew better than me.
That's proof kicking that my kicking is really good.
All right, Alex. I'm going to record it for you.
Hold it down.
All right. No, Alex. Throw it normally. We're not risking it breaking.
Whatever. Okay, well, now this is my theory. Oh, that was some good glide.
That shit was kind of good, yeah. Alex, record for me.
The second attempt. Okay, whatever.
All right. 3 minutes so far. Landed right there. Let's see my profile. Right there. All right. Record.